Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2023 Greenger G3 first look, electric fast facts. So make sure to watch the full video. Expanding on the success of the Greenger-developed Honda CRF-E2 electric off-road mini that we tested last year, the Ontario Calif company brings us the 2023 Greenger G3. The G3 is larger and much faster than the CRF-E2, and with a weight limit of 300 pounds, it is ready to accommodate adults in backyard motocross antics. Sure, Greenger calls it a pit bike, but its near-silent running expands its horizons considerably. With a seat height of 26.7 inches, it's short enough for youngsters, yet an adult can still shoehorn onto it. The fork offers 4.7 inches of travel with 6.1 inches in the rear. Kenda takes care of the tires with its Millville knobby, a 60 by 100 multiply 14 up front and an 80 by 100 multiply 12 in the rear. Disc brakes are attached to the hub's 220 millimeters for the front and 190 millimeters out back. The 6 kilowatt motor gives the 2023 Greenger G3 some serious performance. Top speed is 50 miles per hour in Stage 3 mode. If you or your rider isn't ready for that, Stage 2 limits the speed to 32 miles per hour, and Stage 3 restricts the G3 to 18 miles per hour. With more power comes less run time from the 35 ampere-hour 72-volt LG battery. Under what Greenger calls ideal conditions, the G3 will run for just under 29 minutes in Stage 3. Stage 2 is good for an hour and 48 minutes, and you can ride around in Stage 1 for up to 5 hours. Again, these numbers are the best case scenario. Using the standard charger, the battery goes from 0 to full in 3.5 hours. The quick charger shortens that to less than 2.5 hours. If you don't want to wait for the battery to charge, you can buy a second battery and do a quick swap. The list price for the 2023 Greenger G3 is $4,099. You can order one now, though don't expect to see it before June. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.